Buju genoa bidasige kwendayama, nungum gigiwa banana o namazanate se winama. So this video you'll find was right here on your screen, and you're watching it right now. Oh, we wabanana yo. Let's move on. Nungum giwiga gigadora ao aya a. Nungum giwiga gigadora io ge nandike kendani io Aaniindi endaad. Where do they live? Aya ag. Nungum giwiga gigadora ao. Where do they live? Our animate beings, where do they live? Nungum nanen endaad. Nandin dad iu. There are 5 places where you could find that our animate things live. Let's start. Oma, maje no kid, oma. Wakaigan, wakaigan, wakaigan. Ekwe, enini, gwewazants, ekwazants, bibiants, and dawag ema wakaigan. How, gwe jamin oma? Eu, zaga igan. Zaga igan. Zaga igan. Gigun, gwe jamin, giguyag, dawag ema zaga igan. Zaga iganing. Oo, neso endaad, omaya. What this one? What this one? What this one? Eya. Megizi minwa benesiag. Dawag ema what this one? What this one? Gwe jamin, gwe wabadani iyo niwen endaad. Omaya. Wanj, wanj, wanj. Mucko wanj, mainga wanj, jagaga wanj. Gwe is it again? Gwe mukwa, maingan, jagag, dawag ema wanj. Wanj. Iu, nanen endaad, 5th dwelling. Omaya. Aya nupaming, nupaming, nupaming. Iu, mitig, mitig, mitig da nupaming, mitig da nupaming. Okay, I'll say that one more time in English. So we have men, women, girls, boys, young men, and babies. They live in a house, which was our first dwelling. Our second dwelling is for our fish, our swimmers. They live in lakes or bodies of water. Our third dwelling was our nest, and we have our megizi, our eagles, and all of our birds. They live in a wadiswan, in our nests. Our fourth dwelling is a cave or a den. This is normally something that's kind of part of the earth and that they end up living in. So that would be for our mukwas, our bears, our maingan, our wolves, and also different animals like you could have chipmunks or jagog. Some of them go down deep into the ground. Those are all burrows or they're all wanj. Our last dwelling, our 5th dwelling, is nupaming, which was our in the woods or in the forest. And normally the things that settle in the forest or in the woods are mitig, or our trees. Nungum giwiya. For your assignment for today, you're going to have a picture of a person or a thing or an ayaag up top right here. And then you're going to draw a line to each of the pictures listed on this screen above. You're just going to draw a line either to, you can't see it right now, but right where my head is, there's a house right here. We have nupaming, we have zaga igan, we have wanj, and then we wadiswan. You just draw a line using your pencil tool to where the aya live, where our animate person lives. Good luck. Can't wait to see your work. Miigwech bisandawian. Gigawab and Waiba.